20s can be hectic, it can be mentally draining, it can be exhausting, it can be heartbreaking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are seeing this pretty face for the first time, please don't make it your last by subscribing to this channel. Join this family, because here on this channel we are all about personal growth, self-development, yes, unlocking your potentials in your 20s. So if that sounds interesting to you, why don't you subscribe and join the family? Then if you are a returning subscriber, you know I love you big time. Okay, so let's dive right into the video. As the title says, how to level up in your 20s. 20s are the most crucial period of our lives. Yes, I'm in my 20s and I know what I'm passing through. So if you're in your 20s, you will know that this is basically one of the crucial chapters in your life. Yes. Because in our 20s, we are unstable, we are uncertain, we have so many challenges, so many things going on in our head. We don't know the direction of life we should take and stuff like that. Okay, so in our 20s, we tend to make mistakes. We lay foundations for our futures. The decision we make in our 20s can either make or mar us. Okay, so we have to be very careful in our 20s as well as enjoy our 20s. Of course, we have to enjoy our 20s. Life in our 20s orbit around short-term goals that we want to achieve as well as long-term goals that we want to accomplish in our life, if that makes sense. And the decision we make in our 20s have a greater way to impact our life generally. In our 20s, we are free, we are young, we are experimental, we have the right opportunities to take risks, to make decisions, to learn and unlearn, basically. Also, in our 20s, we feel limiting and limitless at the same time, if that makes sense. Okay, so if you're in your 20s and you like to learn how to level up in your 20s and make the most out of your 20s, then this video is definitely for you. Keep on watching. I'll be listing out 5 quality, when I say quality, I mean 5 good quality ways to level up in your 20s. Yes, first of all is to set your goals. Yes, guys, in your 20s, you have to bring out a book, bring out a pen, bring out a jotter, anything, a diary, anything you want, bring it out and use pen and pencil to write. Pen and pencil, no, basically use pen because pencil can erase. So use pen and write down your goals. It's fine if you don't end up achieving your goals, it's fine if you jump your goals or the steps or something, but then you have to write down your goals. You have to note down the things you want to achieve in life. You want to always reflect back to that book and be like, okay, yes, I said I want to do this in my 20s. You know, you have to set your goals right. You have to take your time, reflect, and write down the goals you want to achieve in your life. If it's about learning a new skill you want to achieve in your 20s, set a clear and a specific goal. Okay, if it's learning a new skill, developing a new skill, or starting up something, maybe business, or going to school, yes, or upgrading in your skill, or basically anything you want to do, you have to write it down, set that goal, write it down, take your time, write down your goals and break them into smaller and actionable steps. This will definitely help you to stay focused and motivated all the way. Okay, so all you need to do is to reflect, get a pen, a pencil, I keep saying pencil, get a pen and paper, right? Write down things you want to achieve in your 20s. That is the first step. Okay, so the second one is invest in yourself. Yes, guys, you have to invest in yourself in your 20s. In our 20s, it's actually time to take risk. Yes, you have to invest in yourself, learn and unlearn. You have to grow. You have to do things that, even if it's just learning new opportunity, take advantage of the educational system. If it's online courses you want to learn, you have to go and invest in online courses. invest in getting new skills. You want to be a content creator, you have to invest in yourself, develop new skills. You have to learn new things. Even if you have 10 skills, it's still not enough. Keep learning, keep learning. We grow in our 20s. In our 20s, we have our brain capacity is still working, right? So you have all the time in the world. I mean, in your 20s, yeah, basically to grow, to learn, to unlearn. And don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. No, baby, do not be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. You never can tell, that might be a stepping stone for you. Okay? Another key to leveling up in our 20s is to build a strong network. By building a strong network, I mean you should surround yourself with people that are ambitious. Surround yourself with people that can impact something in your life. Build connections. When I say build connections, I'm talking to you, because the connections we build now are our children's connection tomorrow. There's a way they used to say it, I'm forgotten right now, but like basically what it means is that our friends are our children's connection tomorrow, right? So the connections we build today can actually help our children tomorrow. Surround yourself with people that inspire you, even if it means joining professional organizations, networking events, stuff like that. Do not underestimate the power of making the right connections in your 20s. Even the money aspect, do not underestimate making the right connections in your 20s. So the fourth tip I'm going to mention right now is embrace failure and resilience. There is no success without failure. It is okay to fail. It is entirely okay to fail. You can fail today and you will win tomorrow. There is no success without failure. So it's okay to fail. Where the problem lies is how you embrace failure, how you pick up yourself when you fail. Okay, all you need to do is to push yourself, dust yourself off, okay, and keep moving forward. All right, keep moving forward. Do not dwell in the past, do not dwell in the failure. You have to dust yourself off and then keep moving forward. Okay, we have to cultivate the power of resilience and perseverance. Yes, because it's not just going to help you in your personal life, it's also going to help you in your professional life. So all we need to do is never to dwell in our failed experiences. Do not dwell in the past. If you guys, apparently my mic has been off. Oh god. Anyways, we move regardless. Remember, there's no success without failure. My mic just failed me. So the last but not the least is prioritize self-care. 20s can be hectic, it can be mentally draining, it can be exhausting, it can be heartbreaking, right? So all you need to do is learn how to take care of yourself. If it's something that, if there's something you love, you enjoy doing, if it's staying close to your loved one, if it's exercising, if it's meditating, if there are things you love doing, do them in your 20s, because I mean you might not even have the time to do them anymore, because it's not when you have like two children disturbing your mommy or daddy or this or that, that's where you will not have time to go and be gymming or go and be creating content or go and be dancing, for instance, if you love dancing, stuff like that. So anything you love doing, you have to take care of yourself in your 20s. By taking care of yourself, I mean both physically, financially, emotionally, socially. Take care of yourself. Create time for relaxation and fun. There are things you go for, adventurous activities, have fun, go out with your friends, go out with your loved ones, you know Do crazy things. Do crazy things in your 20s, because I mean you don't have that time to do crazy things again. Okay? You can take decisions that you might regret. Yes, but at least it still counts that you took that decision. It still counts that you did this thing in your life. I'm not saying you should take decisions that you regret. Please don't come for me. But what I'm saying is, be crazy, be crazy, have fun, be adventurous. You know. So yeah, these are the 5 powerful steps to level up in your 20s. Remember that this decade is basically a tough one. It's a tough one in everybody's life. We do not have it figured out in this chapter of our life. This is a processing age. This is a processing stage. So you have to make the most out of it. All right. This chapter of our life is full of opportunities for growth and transformation. So we have to seize the opportunity. We have to seize this chapter of our lives. So
Okay.
guys, we've come to the end of this video today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment, share, invite your friends. And again, if you enjoyed this video and you want me to be creating something like this related to how to unlock your potentials in your 20s, I got you. All you need to do is to comment down below on the comment section, and I'll keep doing that for you. I love you big time. Okay, see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. I love you. Okay, bye my loves. Bye.